Good afternoon, YouTube. Sorry about the audio. There was a glitch. Today I'm showing my son how to put a plug in your tire if you have a nail or a screw in your tire. So this is the kit that I bought from Walmart. It's by Slime. I'm not endorsing it. I'm not getting paid for it. But there is the nail right there. And it is really embedded in that tire. So I'm gonna show you guys how to plug it. And we're unboxing it, and we're gonna use these little rubber strips. You take the little rubber strip and you put it through the eye of the little tool, like so. And then you put this little glue stuff that comes with the kit. You're gonna pull the nail out. And then you have to clean the hole so it'll be nice and clean for the plug to go in. Then you put this glue on there. You put a nice little amount on there. And then you just push the plug through the hole, like so. And then you just pull the tool out, and bam, there you go. And you have to cut off some of the excess little plug. And we're not endorsing Costco. We're not getting paid for this video to endorse Costco. And there you go. You have to cut off the little extra plug that's sticking out. You guys have to cut that part off.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you. Like and subscribe.
Please comment, like, and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.